Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from Binance to Revolut. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Binance.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here, navigate to the left side menu and select Accounts. Inside it, select Payments and all of your available payment methods will be displayed. Now click on the Add Payment Method from top right corner and a drop-down menu will appear. Inside it, click on More and then search for Revolut inside this dialog box. Once done, go back to your account's dashboard and hover your cursor over the Trade tab. Now select P2P from inside of it and a notice will appear. Simply close it and then start by entering the amount. After that, select the currency and when you are done, click on the Payments button and choose Revolut form inside of it. After selecting it, select your region and then look for an advertiser who has a 100% completion rate. Now click on the Buy button and enter the amount you want to pay. After that, the conversion will be done in real time. After you are satisfied with it, select Buy USDT and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.